guys, and welcome to 𝗷𝚗𝘂𝗿𝘆. I developed this project, built a survey form of free code scam, curriculum, responsive web design years back, but I've never updated it in my GitHub account. This project has remained in my CodePen account, and my GitHub account is kind of empty because I have projects here and there. That is really bad of me, and I'm just trying to do things the right way. So I've decided to create my first Readme.md file for this project. So I'm just going to show you what I'm up to. I know I'm late, but better late than never. So my project is right here. I was working on it since yesterday. I'm just going to open that. Here I write cmd because I want to open my project. Then I write code. This command is going to open it directly in Visual Studio Code. And yeah, this is what we have. I did some changes, but I've not committed them yet, so that's why you're seeing all of this. So this is my readme file right here, and yeah, this is what I've been able to do, and we can preview it right away. So this is what it looks like. This is what the file looks like. So I'm just going to commit all the changes to GitHub so that you see what I'm talking about. And before doing that, I'm going to do a git status to see all the modifications I've been doing. So this is all what has been happening. I've deleted a lot of the pictures I was using, and I've equally included this one. So these are the modifications. If you can see, everything looks fine here. We can see the images, and everything is just fine. So now I'm going to git add this to stage it. Git add. So it should add everything. That's why I'm using the dot. And from here, I'm going to use a Git Commit -m. Then I have to give my comments. What did I do? Change image and update readme. Yeah, I'm not very good at comments, so I'm going to leave it as such. So everything has been committed. If I do a git status right now, it's going to tell me your branch is ahead of original. Use Git Push to publish your local commits. So it is still in local, and I need to push it to the repository, to GitHub repository. So I'm going to do a Git Push. Okay, everything is fine. As you can see right here, there is nothing to commit, nothing to push. Everything is fine. You can equally do it using the graphical user interface, but I just prefer going with the terminal. So when you have your changes, you can go here, you commit them, you right click, you click on this, you push them, you do all what I've been doing with the command line. So that is it. Now we can go to our, I'm going to show you. So this is the page right here. I just have to refresh. So these are the changes. Something went wrong. And this is the problem I have. If you remember right here, no, sorry, this is my command line. When I go to Visual Studio Code, I'm able to see the pictures. Like you see, everything is fine. Everything is fine. But when I come back here, I'm not able to see the pictures. That's a bug. That is a serious bug, which took me hours and hours and hours to be able to debug that. So this is the problem. While I'm in local, there is no difference between PNG in capital letters and in small letters. Let me explain myself more. If you can see, all my images here are in capital letters, but I'm using small letters here and it's working just fine. But when I push it to the repository, that's not the case because it's different. It doesn't actually read it that way. So we have to change that. So the thing I'm going to do, I discovered this bug yesterday, and I just decided to have a video on that after searching the internet for us. The internet didn't really bring me to this solution. I just discovered that the problem was with this, because when I put it in capital letters now, it's still going to work here, and it's equally going to work in the cloud, in the repository. So let's just do that for all the images, and then we push and see what happens. So here, PNG. Okay, that's all. I guess that's all. So I'm going to save everything. And as I was telling you before, you can equally do it with a graphical user interface. I first of all did it with the terminal, but now I'm going to do it with a graphical user interface. So I'm just going to put my commit message right here. Change image extension. Okay. Then I'm going to click on this one to commit. There are no stages. That's because I didn't do a git add. So it's asking me, do you want to stage them and commit? I'm going to say yes, of course. And once that is done, you can equally git push. You see here, synchronize your changes, one push. Okay, the action push commit, yeah. This action will push and pull commit to the origin main. That is okay for me. And everything is fine. Let's go back and see what happens. Are we able to see the images? If I change the extension to capital letters, I'm going to load this page. And now you can see we have all the images. Yeah, they are really large, and I have to work on that. So that is what I wanted to share with you today. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and let's keep doing things the right way. Build your project from scratch with a repository. Don't be like me when you think about it only years after and you're like, but why am I not having a repository updated in GitHub?